Latvian stage folk dance as an art form emerged in the 1930s during our first period of independence, blending ethnographic folk dance and classical ballet.
But when Soviet forces invaded, over 170,000 Latvians fled, many settling in the US and Canada. Our people and our culture were split. Nevertheless, Latvian culture continued to evolve, and stage dance choreographies were developed separately here and behind the Iron Curtain.
Most of Jumalitas dancers are the children and grandchildren of World War II refugees, while some have emigrated from Latvia in the last 30 years. And although we were born on opposite sides of the ocean, we are all united by the desire to nurture our Latvian roots, traditions, and culture through dance.
Our dance group was founded in 2021 by Mara Zalit and myself, Dagmara Lapping. We are lucky to stand on the rock-solid foundation established by our predecessors, many of whom are here today, and to continue to weave in our own threads into the silver New York Latvian cultural tapestry.
Today, we are performing choreographies created in Latvia, as well as in the US and Canada. Dances created during the Soviet occupation of Latvia and over the past 3 decades since Latvia regained its independence freely meet again today. You'll notice that these more recently choreographed dances reflect not only the influence of a classical dance, but also of contemporary dance.
The next is one such dance, reflecting unity, loyalty, and young, sparkling love tested by strong, protective family bonds. De svita man deviņi bāliņi, my 9 brothers, my 9 protectors, solo performed by Maya Weyenberga and Kārlis Kansāns.
Danco Dievs ar pērkoni, es ar savu bāleliņu. 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 Pērkonami visa zeme man deviņi bāleliņi. Pērkonami visa zeme man deviņi bāleliņi. Dievs ar pērkoni, es ar savu bāleli. Danco Dievs ar pērkoni, es ar savu bāleli. Danco Dievs ar pērkoni, es ar savu bāleli. Danco Dievs ar pērkoni, es ar savu bāleli.